G'day folks, we're just working on the next stage of our Ford Ranger build-up. We're just getting suspension and a long-range fuel tank put in down here at Ironman 4x4 headquarters in Melbourne. Here we've got Darren Sexton, who's the design engineer for suspension systems. Darren, tell us a bit about some of the new gear we're putting into the Ranger.
What we've installed into the Ranger today is a Foam Pro shock absorber and our latest upper control arm forged alloy.
So those new forged alloy upper control arms, what's the purpose of them? Why do people need them?
The purpose for the arms is it corrects the geometry for a lifted vehicle. Okay. So when you put your suspension in, raising it 2 inches, 3 inches, depending on what you're doing, the geometry changes within the suspension. And with the new upper control arm, it corrects to accommodate that raised suspension.
Okay. So you've got one of those arms there. They're a beautiful looking piece of gear, all forged aluminium, yes. Factory style ball joints.
Yes. Yes, and we've gone specifically with that. We've gone for factory style ball joints, factory style bushes, so we can easily replace them with OEM product if required. And it makes the bushes and ball joints easily replaceable anywhere around the country.
And the forged alloy looks fantastic. What are the advantages of having that?
The advantages of that is its strength. So when it's forged, it's hot forged as well. So it's heated up, it's then forged, and then it's heat treated afterwards to give it additional strength and the nice finish. Yeah,
they do look really trick. Also, the Foam Pro shock absorbers, we've had plenty of experience with them in the past, but you've made some changes recently?
We recently have, yes. We've been working through valving on all of the Ranger vehicles, progressing with the most popular and building up as we go. What we've also done on the Foam Pros is released a new version of the shock absorbers as well, called the Foam Pro Professional. Now what that is for the tradies, the professional tradie who carries a lot of gear in their ute and with their trailer. So it just gives a better, a firmer, a more stable drive and feel in the vehicle when fully loaded.
This car's not going to be heavily laden like a tradie truck, or we've just put a steel bar on it, a winch, long-range fuel tank, which is 140 litres. Yeah, there's going to be a bit of stuff in there. All this stuff's going to carry that load a lot better.
Oh, much better, much better. What we've done is we've put a B-spring front and rear because you're not going for the extreme heavy vehicle with big bars, canopies, trailers, tools, etc., etc. So we've gone for a B-spring front and rear, and we've gone our Foam Pro FEs front and rear.
Fantastic. Well, we're really looking forward to getting these out on the tracks and see how they go.
Enjoy.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Cheers.